G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. We got battle styles today. I got my wife opening today because it's Mother's Day. Give her a little treat. Alright, I'm going to go fighting energy.
I'll go a leaf.
Okay.
A leaf or a purple one.
You can only choose one.
No, I just feel like there might be purple in it.
Alright, so you're going purple. Yeah. You do forward card trick.
1, 2. Oh,
fire!
I've not seen that one before.
This. Remember guys, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, comment. Oh!
Hollow and reverse hollow.
Remember guys, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Remember, say happy Mother's Day to your mum for me. See ya!